Hello guys, today we are going to edit photos like Instagram models. First open the photo in Lightroom app. Now go to profile and select the artistic 4.
Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be
After that go to light and adjust the exposure, shadow, highlight, like I am doing.
leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
After that go to color and increase vibrance, saturation.
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be.
Now go to effect and reduce the dahas, increase clarity and reduce texture.
Every moment that I spend with you. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me.
Now go to selective option. Here select the model from the brush tool like I am doing.
Won't you take me home? Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
After selecting model, click on color and increase temperature and tint.
Won't you take me home?
After that click on light and increase highlight and shadow.
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream.
Then go to detail, here reduce the noise and sharpness to make model skin smoother.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
And also go to effect and reduce some clarity. This will also help to make skin smoother. After that go to selective and select linear gradient, adjust it on top of the model. and then go to color, adjust the temperature, tint, saturation according to your liking. Now go to light. Here also adjust according to your liking.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
Now go to detail and increase the sharpness, noise reduction and color noise reduction.
Won't you take me
Now go to optic and do the same thing I am doing. This will not affect your photo that much, but it looks nicer after this.
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this type of video, make sure to subscribe my channel. This will motivate me to make more videos.